Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create backlinks that are one, pretty, two, you could customize with an actual name, and most of all, the reason why you want to add these backlinks because it helps you increase your click-through rate, it helps increase your engagement, and it helps increase the likelihood of somebody buying from you. So if you want to learn how to create beautiful backlinks, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful Etsy business, don't forget to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And also, guys, don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, essentially, when you are creating a store, one of the key things that you should be doing is increasing your click-through rate. And one of the quickest way to increase your click-through rate is by adding a backlink either to your home page or other pages or similar items or matching items in your store. And what that does is that one, it helps you increase your click-through rate, and two, it helps increase your engagement overall. And three, the customer, when they're browsing through your store, they get to know your brand, they feel more comfortable, they start looking at other products and services that you sell, and the likelihood of them buying actually increase drastically when they're browsing through your store. And that's the purpose of adding backlinks. Now, you don't want to add like 20 backlinks. I always suggest between 1 and 3 the most. Definitely want to put your homepage on every listing and maybe like another one that says click here to view matching items or click here to view similar items depending on your store and the products that you have. So for instance, let's say I wanted to promote my Etsy shop critique and I want to, well, that one is only one. So let's go to finance planners. Let's go there. So let's say I wanted to promote all of these to a customer that landed on this actual listing here. I want to tell people, hey, I have additional items. What you would do is you would go to the actual section that you want to promote and you would grab this link right here. This is the link that shows all of these items right here, right? So instead of me going to my actual listing, let's say this one here, and editing and going into the actual listing description of it. So let's go to the listing description right here. So instead of me saying, let's say I wanted to put it right here, right? View our matching items or view my matching items. I'm the only person view my matching items here. So instead of me just putting that link right there, which looks really long and doesn't look attractive, what you want to do is you want to shorten that link down. So what you would do essentially is you would go to a tool called Bitly, and it's free to use. You don't have to pay anything. They do have like a upgrade version if you want to keep track of analytics and more information, which you could sign up for. But this one is actually free. And then what you would do is you would go here, you would click on create, you will paste the link that you just took from your store, and it's going to make it shorter now. This is the link. So whenever somebody clicks on this link, it takes them to the, well, let me copy it. It takes them to the actual page where we were, which is all the planners, the finance planners, you see? So now what I would do, the next step is we already made it smaller, which looks so much better, looks prettier. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize this link. So what you could do is you could go to here and you could say planners and then you will save it. So this one is taken. That's like one thing that you have to realize is that a lot of them are already taken, so you might have to play with it a little bit more. So I'm gonna say planners with 2 S's just to see if it lets me do it. Let's see. Nope, it didn't. Let me try again. So create. Oops, that's not the link. So I'm going to grab the link again. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to change the name again just to see if it lets me do it. I'm going to do double S, planners or planners. similar, let's see, maybe it's too long. Similar planners. I don't like that. Let's do matching planners. That's a little nicer. Okay. Let's see if this is available. So that one is available. Matching, so Bitly matching planners is available. So you could save this for later if you wanted to. So I could put a title here and put finance planner and save this for future reference if I need to use it again. And then what I would do is I would copy this. I would try it out all the time. I always do that. Just test the link to make sure that it actually opens. So it does open, as you guys could see. It opened to the right one. And now when I go back to my actual Etsy listing, I would delete the one that originally I was going to put. And I would put here matching planners. And you could do like emojis or do something. I recommend going to coolsymbol.com. They have really cool emojis, different stuff that you could use. So I'm going to use this one here, like the little finger pointing. So I'm going to go back to my listing and I'm going to put it right here. Boom. That way it's almost like a call to action pointing to what I want them to see. And you can actually, I will put it actually in front of the link. There you go. I will publish this. And now I'm going to go to my actual listing. And let's see, here it is. Voila. So this is how you create an actual like smaller link that's more attractive, that has a custom name on it, and it doesn't look like spam to people. Like they're like, oh, should I click here? Is this safe to click? It just looks a little bit better when you do it this way. Now, another cool thing about Bitly that I really, really like is that you're able to keep track of how many people actually click the link. And it's like real time. So as you can see, I clicked the link and it gave me a one person clicked it. So just keep that in mind. It tells you automatically if somebody clicked the link, and you're able to see for later, for future reference, how if people are actually clicking on the link, or people actually clicking and engaging with the link. And you could do this also for social media. So you could use it for Facebook, you could use it for Twitter. And if you do it this way and you put the special link, you're able to keep track. Are people actually clicking on it on Twitter, or are people clicking on it on, let's say, Facebook? And you could change the name, and you could put one like matching planner T, and that would be like your code for tracking for Twitter. Matching planners F, and that would be more for Facebook, right? That way, every time somebody clicks on it, you know where the click came from. So just keep that in mind. It's just a really cool way to not only make the link shorter, not only make it more attractive, but at the same time, you're able to keep track of who's clicking and who's not clicking. And the purpose of adding these links in your actual listing description, like I said in the beginning of the video, is to engage your shopper. When somebody lands on that listing, you want to keep them in your page as long as possible. If they hit that dreadful button and they click back, they're going to leave your page and possibly go to your competitors' page or Etsy shop and buy from them. So you want to keep them longer in your store. The longer you keep them in your store, the higher the probability of them going ahead and buying from you. So the ultimate goal is for them to go ahead and click, read your listing description, see, oh, they have more matching items, click on that, kind of browse through your items, and then make an informed decision of whether they want to buy from you or not buy from you. But that does increase the likelihood of them buying. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about Bitly in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching.